told you we have a gift for you, right?
Gift.
Yes?
Gift. What?
Oh, here.
What?
Are you excited?
No.
Are you thrilled? Huh?
Yeah.
Are you thrilled to see it?
Yeah. Love it.
You love it? Oh. You want to see your gift?
Yeah.
Dun, dun. What are these?
Dinosaurs. Puzzles.
Okay.
Thank you.
These are puzzles. Oh.
Puzzles. Dinosaurs.
Yes,
Puzzles.
dinosaurs. Open it.
Wow. Wow. There we go.
It's really too big, oh, too big, too big, too big, too big, too big.
Like a tree.
Is it a tree?
Yeah.
What else you're seeing there? Oh, the tree should be here, somewhere here. It says here.
What?
Somewhere the tree should be here first. I think, yeah, we have to start it with the tree. So this is the tree one.
One.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
I'll put here first the tree. We will follow this, okay? This will serve as the guide for you, Aiden, huh? Okay, what you have here? Which section?
This one.
So we will do by section, Aiden, okay? First, we will do this side. We will do this side part. Look somewhere here on this side, okay?
Here.
No, it's not enough. It's not. See here? Wow, wow, it's good. Oh, you are good. You already solve it here, these two, huh? Wow, good job, good job. Okay, can you connect this one?
Yeah.
Can you connect this one here?
Yeah.
Here. So connect here. Do you think it's the one? No.
No.
No, because here it's white. It's white and sky blue. You're very smart. Look at that too. He was able to do his side, but for me, I haven't started yet. Fix it nicely. Good job. Okay, like this more. Now, what's next here? You try to look the match for this. Somewhere with that type of
Maybe
tree.
this one.
Is this fern tree? I don't know. Is it? No. See, it doesn't match, huh?
What?
It doesn't match. It doesn't match.
What?
It doesn't match. Oh, very good. Try. Not there. Here. At least this two. Wow. Good job. I think this is correct. This is right. Good job. Put it here. Now, we already have this part. And this part we have taken care of. What's
What's
next?
missing?
Oh, yes, the body. Here. Oh, this is this part, Aiden. This part is here. Here on this side. Put it here. This two. Here. No, not like that. Here, oh, see? This is here, the edge is straight. Oh, very good.
Oh, that's tree.
It doesn't, you're right. Oh my God.
There. All trees.
Oh, good job. So what's next there? Aiden, there's some sky. Try to put this there. On top, oh. Yes, great job. You've done there. Try. No. Try. Oh, great job. Great job you have done there. Some sky.
Look, Mom. Look.
Oh, arrange it properly like this. It's like that only. It's okay. Just put it like this. Okay?
Oh, what's missing, Mom? missing.
Oh, here. Try to put it here. Here.
Hmm.
Somewhere. Try.
Hmm.
Wow, great job. Great job. Thanks. Oh. Put it there somehow, Aiden. Put it there somehow. Put it there somehow. Is this the right one? No. It's somewhere here. This is
What?
for the dinosaur. Oh.
Dyson.
This is under his tail. Okay? The tail. Somewhere here, Eden. Somewhere here.
Son.
Oh, it's right. Okay. Yes, we're getting there. What else? Let's put it here down.
Dinosaur.
Okay, this is the tail of him. Eden, oh, look at this.
Finish
The
our
tail.
water.
Where is it?
What's missing, Mom? What's missing?
Hmm. Good job.
What's missing, Mom? What's missing?
Somewhere here, on
Somewhere
top.
here.
Here, the tail. It's the tail.
Tail. What?
Okay.
Ah.
Isn't it?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe so.
A little bit. No, no. Maybe down? Down here, Eden? Down? How about this one?
How about
Oh, down, down. I think this one.
not working?
No, we're getting there. Alright.
I touch
Okay. So what's
What's
next
missing?
here is the body.
body.
This is what? Eden, no, this is what I think I found it. Put it there. Where? No, not there, not there. No, no. I think somewhere here. Can you check if that's the one? The tail. This is the tail, oh.
Tail.
Tail, oh, tail. Look, look. Is that right? Yay! Wow, good job, good job.
My pleasure.
Okay, lovely. Now we're getting there. This part is almost over.
Ka 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 ka.
You see, try. Great. Great job. Yes? Yes. Good, good. And then, somewhere here, you have to look here.
Look, Daddy,
Oh, try.
beauty the T-Rex.
Ah,
Look, Dad.
put this one, Aiden.
Look, Mom.
Yeah.
Maybe the T-Rex.
Very good, very good.
What's missing?
No. Here. Put this thing on, Aiden. Put this here. Whoa.
What's missing?
Good job. I'm really nuts on this one.
Dinosaurs.
Okay, we're almost done.
What?
Here. Try this one. Try. Here, down.
Down.
Try to rotate it. Rotate. Good job. Oh, two. Oh, you do the job. You do the honor in finishing this. Okay. And here, try to put this. Oh, very good. What else? Where else? Very good. Now, where's the other one here? Is it down? You see? Oh, here. Oh. Yes. Mama, kiss the Barbie. Kiss Mama. You like it? Oh, look at it closely. That is 90 by 60 centimeters. Oh, put it back again. Wow. Great. What do you call this dinosaur?
No.
This is
T-Taps.
Triceratops. That's great. And this one, what do you call? Raptor? Is it the same with this one? The raptor?
No, tune it.
What do you call it?
2. 1, 2.
Good. It's there too. But how many the total dinosaurs here? How many dinosaurs?
Look.
Yes, exactly as it is, right? See this? Show them. Exactly as it is.